All right, so here's my review on these lights. I'll put them in the title. I forgot the name of them, but I bought these off Amazon because my factory projectors were hazed and the lens was getting a little foggy, so I didn't like that. But I don't really like aftermarket style lights. I like more of like a simple look. These are as closest to factory as I can get with a slight upgrade. Factory doesn't have this top bar, and factory has one projector. These have two, which is nice. The bottom light on factory is usually orange. This one is clear, and they're really bright. As you can see, they're pretty bright. Just the DRLs alone. And let me hit the unlock button real quick. So you can see that the bottom actually goes orange like factory. So I do like that. They don't come with LEDs. They come with just regular halogen bulbs. I'm gonna switch those out for some LEDs because I like that look better. But overall, I'm happy. Let me turn off the truck so I can show you guys how the lights look when the truck's off. There we go. Yeah, my truck's deleted, so it's a little loud. Yeah, see, it's just that same style of factory, just with a little twist to it. And I think this company did a really good job at making them. They don't leak so far. They're still pretty clear. They look brand new still. Had them for a little while, but yeah, overall I'd 100% recommend these lights. They even got like that same like contour in the lens like the factory lights do. So yeah, if you're looking for like a cheap light, these are only like $300 or $260, I forgot. If you're looking for a cheap light on Amazon, these are the way to go. They also come in black, so if you have like the blackout look, like a Power Wagon or like a all paint match Laramie with like the black projectors, these come in black too, so you don't worry about that. And they're plug and play for trucks with the factory projectors already, or they come with they always come with a harness, so you can run them on a non-factory projector LED truck. And yeah, I think they look really good. So yeah, if you're looking at buying lights, these are a very good option.